Good morning everyone. Today we are going to make a recipe called Makanbeda. So basic ingredients needed: maida 300 grams, sugar half a kg, khova and 250 grams of khova, ghee 30 ml of ghee, cardamom, cooking soda near about 5 grams, chopped nuts. Here I have taken cashew nut, almond, raisins, pista. If you want, it is an optional. You can add or you can leave few nuts. Let's start cooking. Now we are going to make the stuffing process. First we are going to add the chopped nuts. Here you can see I have taken some almond, I have taken some raisin, I have taken some cashew nut. Then we have to mix near about 50 gram of khova in it, and we have to make the stuffing. Mix it well. Then we have to make it as a small ball for stuffing purpose. Now you can see we have mixed the stuffing and we have made small ball. This is the size of the ball. You have to take it. Let's start. Now we have taken 300 grams of maida. We are going to add little soda, near about 15 grams of soda. This is an cooking soda which has been used in the day-to-day basis in the house. Then we are going to put the ghee. It's a pure desi ghee. Then the khova near about 200 ml. We are going to add it in. Now make a dough. Mix well. Make a dough. We have mixed well. Now we are going to add the water little by little. Don't pour it in a stretch. Put a little water. Then mix it well. Make a dough. Now we have mixed the dough well. Now we are going to make it as a small ball. As it has been already kept for near about 15 minutes, now we are making it. This is the size. See the size. This should be the size of the ball so that we can make the filling. Now we are going to prepare jeera. So we are going to take, I have taken a vessel. We are going to put near about 500 grams of sugar. Then we are going to pour the water. The water should be near about 500 ml so that this particular sugar is submerged. In the end of the session, when the jeera is going to be ready, we are going to add the cardamom, the elaichi. Now we are going to lit the stove. We are going to place the vessel now. We are going to prepare the jeera for Makanbeda. Now we are going to add the elaichi, the cardamom. We are mixing it well. We are preparing the jeera. Let the jeera get heated. Why we are adding the cardamom first? Because the flavor of the cardamom should be released in this particular jeera. So we are adding it in the first itself, in the first stage of cooking. The jeera is almost ready. You can see how the jeera is getting boiled. How to check the consistency? See, now we have to stir well, and then by taking the jeera, when we touch this particular finger over here, and when we check, you can see this particular thing should stick in your finger. See, you can see the particular consistency level. This should be the level where we have to just switch off the stove. Now the jeera has been ready. So we are going to shift the jeera to the another side flamed stove, where it will be in a sim position, where the jeera will be continuously boiling for some time. We are put the stove into a sim position, where it is in very slow flame. Now we are going to start the cooking for the Makanbeda. We have just put the vessel, and we are going to pour the oil. Now we have poured the oil. The oil is getting heated. Let it get heated well. Put it in a full flame. Now we are going to make an Makanbeda dough, and we are going to put a filling in. Now you have seen that we have made an shape, and now we are going to put the filling in. Press well and cover it up. This is the Makanbeda dough. Already we have, which are shown. Now we have put the filling, and we are filling it up. This is what is the fully filled dough. Now we are going to fry it on the oil. Now you can see the oil is really hot. We are going to, first we have put the stove in sim, slow flame, and now we are going to put the filled up dough of Makanbeda. Put it slowly. You can see. Let it cook for some time. Then keep on flipping one side to another side. Now you can see the particular Makanbeda is ready, and the color is being changed little by little. So we have to flip it over one side to another side. Keep on doing it up till it cooked well. The color has to change to little more brownish level. It is the right stage now. You can see the color. It is near about little more than golden brown. So it's the right time to take it out and put it in the jeera. The Makanbeda is ready to serve. Very delicious dish. You can give it to your children. It is a homemade Makanbeda. Please subscribe our channel so that we will be making lot of food related videos. The Makanbeda is ready now. It is very delicious. You can give it to your children, elderly people at your home. It's a healthy dish. Please subscribe our channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest recording at the faster rate. Thank you very much.